Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for joining the Run Your Day podcast. Today is Friday. Get fired up. It's going to be a great day, great weekend. Today's topic is this. What is your will to win? Thank you very much for joining. Sit back, relax, and enjoy today's show.
Welcome to the Run Your Day podcast, where our goal is to expand your focus and perspective on life. This is your daily dose of motivation, mindfulness, and so much more. And now, here to help you take your day back, your host, Dan Hafner.
All right, everyone. Thank you again for joining. My name is Dan Hafner. I am doing this podcast a little bit differently this morning. I was having some trouble with my internet this morning. It wasn't cooperating for me, so I am currently on my drive to work today, and I am recording this from my truck. And so I apologize if you can hear some stuff in the background. I have never done a podcast like this, so we're going to see how it goes, and just bear with me if the audio isn't quite up to snuff, and we'll get after it today, all right? So, today's topic, what is your will to win? The final topic in this theme of perseverance. Now, we could talk all day about this, so I won't, obviously. But you look at anyone that has achieved anything great in their life, any great athlete, any great business person, anyone with any level of success. It took unreal levels of effort and perseverance to get where they are. It took unreal amounts of belief and grit and guts and just general, absolute, pretty much guts is the best way to put it. And this will to win is something that is also innate in all of us, but it is obviously much stronger in some of us than others. You know, why are some people just driven to win just at unreal levels with unreal consistency, and some of us just don't really care? You know, why? Look at Michael Jordan, okay? He is, I guess I should say, one of the most competitive and consistently successful people ever. Like, I've heard stories about him, you know, he would play ping pong with people, or when he was playing golf with people. Like, he is so competitive because he has that just inner drive and that inner will to win that is just insatiable. Like, he will not accept losing in his book. And I want you to try to approach your day like this today. Like, how do you accept failure in your life without even realizing it? You know, like, I do this. I know that I do. You know, I accept when things don't go the way that they should or that I want them to. And it's almost a subconscious thing where you're like, okay, well, that's just the way it's going to be, and there's nothing I can do about it. Like, I challenge, like, you and me both. Like, what can you do to stop thinking that way? Don't accept failure. Don't accept being second best. That is not acceptable in your life anymore. If you're listening to this podcast, it's for a reason. It's because you are sick of the way that things are going in your life. And that's okay. It's okay to be sick of things. But what's not okay is not having the guts to change it. Not having the gall to say, I'm going to plant my feet in the ground and stop losing. Stop accepting what my results are. I want different results. I want better results. I will not lose anymore. And I don't care if it's fitness, if it's a relationship, if it's business, whatever it is. Just stop accepting less of yourself. It's that simple. My life has changed. My life has changed incredibly since I stopped accepting less of myself. Yes, I fail. Yes, I screw up. But I do not quit. I do not quit. I make mistakes. I learn. I correct my mistakes. So, really what I'm trying to say all in all is that if you do not have the innate and the just insatiable desire to win, then you're always going to end up being unsatisfied. You will never reach the levels that you want to reach in your life if you keep accepting failure. I'm not saying that you shouldn't fail. I'm saying don't accept failure. You're going to fail. It's going to happen. If I don't fail at something every day, I know I'm not pushing myself hard enough. It's that simple. Now, do I actually fail at something every day? No, I don't. And I know that's an area of improvement in my life that I need to make. Because I recognize that I am not pushing myself to my full capacity some days. A lot more days than I have recently. I've been doing it. But I know that there's room for growth in me. I know that there is a absolute untapped potential inside of me that is just waiting for me to find it and to activate it. And I will be absolutely unstoppable once I can find that. And you will too. You will too. So my challenge for you today is to think about what really is your will to win. Think about it this weekend. How are you persevering inside of your life? How are you not persevering? Are you quitting on yourself? Are you giving up on yourself? Think about your will to win, your drive, your inner motivation. Because if you don't have it and it's not there, you need to find it. You need to find it before you go any further. You're not going to be able to achieve big things inside of your fitness, inside of your marriage, your parenting, your finances, anything, if you don't first get your mind right, yourself right, your ducks in a row, and figure out what is really your driving factor, what is really your will to win. Anything in life without that is just not worth going after. So that is my challenge for you today. Please, if you feel the need, please follow us on Facebook and like us on Twitter so you can respond to these challenges. I'm going to start putting out some tweets and Facebook posts to kind of get some feedback and everything like that on this podcast. Again, please, if you really are getting a lot out of this show, please feel free to check us out on our Anchor website and donate to the show. You can donate either a small monthly fee or a one-time fee. It would really, really go a long way for me and in the future of this podcast to be able to have a little bit of funds to not only make the audio better, maybe even pay for extra internet, because obviously doing this inside of my truck is proving to be a little more difficult than I thought it would be. So all in all, thank you very much for listening this week. We'll be back at you on Monday with a brand new topic, brand new theme, and some brand new episodes, and we'll keep getting after it. Thank you very much for joining, and have a great day.
Thank you for listening to the Run Your Day podcast. We hope you enjoyed today's show. If you did, feel free to share today's show with friends and family. Until next time, have a great day.